Hi guys, I'm Lenka and I'm the one from Happy Heartsy, and today I'm gonna show you how to crochet this spider stitch. So the spider stitch is basically out of single crochet V-stitches. So if you know how to crochet regular V-stitch, it's basically the same idea. So feel free to visit the links in the description where I attached the link for this spider stitch that includes a written pattern, photo tutorial, and of course this video tutorial, and the same thing for the V-stitch. So now let's get started. I hope that you will enjoy it, and happy crocheting. Alright guys, and for the spider stitch we start with any even number of the foundation chains. And for this tutorial I made 24 foundation chains. So now let's start with the first row, and we're gonna start with the single crochet into the second chain from the hook. So the loop on your hook doesn't count as a first chain, but whatever is below. And also one other thing is that when you see the foundation chain, you can see the V shapes right here. And I know that some crocheters, when they start, or when they start to crochet like into the chains, they just insert the hook right into this regular V shape, and then they make it a stitch. I rather do it in the back of it. So when you see those V shapes and turn it, you can see the bumps behind, and one bump is one chain. So I rather to insert the hook there, because then I feel like the edge or the bottom of the project, it's actually nicer and cleaner, and also it kind of gives you this the V-stitch look. So now you do whatever you'd like. It's up to you. This is not a mistake. It's just like about a preparation. So you can just maybe give it a try if you'd like. And now, like I mentioned, let's start with the single crochet for the first into the second chain from the loop, the hook. So you just insert the hook, yarn over, pull up the loop. You have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull up the loop. Now we're gonna start the V shapes, or the V single stitch. And how we're gonna do it, we're gonna start right away into the next chain, so we don't skip anything just yet. And we will insert the hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull up the loop through 2 loops. So we made our first single crochet. Then you do chain 1 and single crochet into the same chain. So if you know how to crochet the double crochet V-stitch, then it's exactly the same idea, just not with the double crochet but the single crochet. So now this is what you repeat until the end of the row. So you will always skip the next chain and insert the hook into the next one, where you make your combination of the single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. So one more time, you will skip the next chain, and into the next one you will make the combination, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. So it looks like this so far. And now let's continue until the end of the row. So your last V-stitch will be right here, and you will have 1 chain left. So that's actually this is gonna be a good indicator that you're on the right track. And then I will show you what next. So now you just repeat the V stitches and single crochet and between the chain 1, the skipped chain 1. So I already made my last single crochet V-stitch, and then you should have your last stitch left, and into that one we're gonna make simple single crochet. So just the 1 regular single crochet, and you have your first row done. So you can see that it's a little bit like a wavy, but this is exactly what the texture will be. And now we do chain 1 at the end and then turn. So now this second row you will be repeating until the desired length. So now you will always start with the single crochet into the first stitch. So you will insert the hook, yarn over, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull up the loop through all 2. And then you will make the combination of the single crochet, chain 1, single crochet into the chain 1 space, or basically into that V stitch space, if that makes sense, from the previous row. So then you can see the post here. Basically it's I would say it's like a vertical V shape, is one single crochet right here, and between there's your chain one. So into that chain one space, into that V shape, then you will make your combination of the single crochet, chain one, single crochet. So now this is our first V shape into the second row, and now this is what you continue again until the end of the row. So again, into that V shape from the previous row, you will make your combination single crochet, chain one, and single crochet. So always have to find the chain one between the single crochets. This is where you make your another V-stitch. So let's continue until the end of the row. So far it looks like this. So we are getting that texture slowly but surely. And then again until the end of the row, where your last stitch will be single crochet. So now I'm at the end of my second row, and I just made my last single crochet V-stitch for this row. And then again I have my last stitch left, so this is where I'm gonna make my single crochet, chain one, and turn the project. So then you can see like that we getting the texture for the spider stitch. So now this second row you will repeat for the entire pattern. So let me make a few more rows so then you can see the texture more clearly, and I hope it makes sense. Just don't forget to always start and end the row with a single crochet, and from now on is the combination into that chain one space or into that V-stitch from the previous row, the combination of the single crochet, chain one, single crochet. So let me do a few more rows and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I made a few more rows, so now you can see the texture more clearly. So you can see like the spikes there, which is our the V shapes in the single crochet. So I absolutely actually love it. I mean, I love any stitch because every texture is like unique, and I love how out of simple stitch like single crochet you can make totally advanced look with the texture. So I hope that you enjoy this tutorial. Let me know in the comments what project you'd like to make with this stitch, because I think that it would be really perfect for the dishcloth. I mean, for dishcloth is like you can make the dishcloth out of any stitches, but yeah, I feel like it's must be very nice. Also maybe when you change the colors too, if you have let's say two colors, so each row would be in like a different color, I think that would make a beautiful like a kind of transitions too. So let me know in the comments what would be the plan for you with this stitch, what project, and also leave any comment, feedback, share, likes, anything. Like it means a lot to me. And yeah, that's everything for today. Stay tuned with me for more stitches tutorials and also my crochet patterns that are coming. So feel free to subscribe. So thank you so much for watching and happy crocheting.